Alright, and welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. Now that we are completed, excuse me, now that we've completed our pre-processing and we are getting into the post-processing, we need to do a dynamic crop on our drizzled image. Again, we're using the Light Vortex Astronomy tutorial as a basis for our workflow today. So let's go ahead and open up our dynamic crop. And let's do a reset. So as you can see, we do have a 12,000 by 8,000 image, so that drizzle did double the size of the image. Now, there were some artifacts over here due to the stacking, and then a lot over this way. So what I want to do is I want to try to get this center point over the middle of the galaxy. But first I want to bring in this so I can get most of those artifacts out of there. And then I'll bring this it should be about right. And at this point I could hit the little red X or the red check mark. Red. Wow, I'm colorblind this morning. Green check mark. And to execute and crop this down. But I wanted to reset because there's another way to do this. So let's say we wanted to do a working image that essentially was our desktop. So most desktops are 1920 by 1080. You can multiply both of those by 2 to get to your 4K displays. Since we have a huge image to work off of, we could probably multiply by 4 and work. So all we could do here is do a 1920 times 4. So 7680. So let's do 7680. And as you can see, it crops it in. And then we have 1080 times 4, 4320. And there is our crop for a widescreen monitor or TV. We could put that center point over the galaxy, hit that green execute button, and then work off of that image. Now there's a couple ways we can do this. So you can manually input, or you can drag these around. And in addition, you can also rotate it. But I'm not going to rotate right now. I'm going to reset this. I'm going to bring this back in. So we are 12 by 8. 6 by 4, 3 by 2. So 3 by 2. So I'm going to go with 1248 times, and I want a was 75% reduction. So 936. All right. 8044 times 6033. All right, so that still gives me, that should still give me my 3:2 ratio. I can move this over here, center it up on in the crop, and we'll execute. I'll create my new process icon. Pop that over there, and we will close this out. And that's it for this chapter. And I want to thank you for watching. Click that like button, subscribe, ring that bell. See you in the next chapter. Clear skies.